Okay, well, I've made my way down to the main street for the Spam Festival. There's a lot of, so I'm just going to walk into the crowd and this will be interesting. See how we go. Yeah, I'm just going to try and make my way over. It's just like one big street fair with the people. They just got all displays and it's oh, here we go. Here's something here you'll like. I'll just turn it around. Spam dog. These are just the things you're going to see when you come down here. All the characters about the place. And it's all in good spirit. You never know what you'll find here. Even the police officers are getting into the food. Honolulu Police Department. We have a Honolulu police officer here eating the Spam like it's like his last meal in town. We'll go and have a look at him. It's obviously very good.
That is delicious.
Even the Honolulu police enjoy it. Fantastic. Man, I can't believe what you can buy here with this Spam. They got burgers, they got them on wraps, they got them on plates. You can eat them out of a tin. Insane. As I said, hey, how you doing? Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you from?
New Zealand.
San Francisco?
I'm from New Zealand. I'm from Auckland.
You're a Kiwi.
No, I'm not a Kiwi. I just
So you're a Kiwi?
No, I'm an Aussie.
Oh, you're
Please, it's like saying, are you a Canadian or an American? But nah, look, no, I'm just here, just vlogging for YouTube, and I knew this was happening, and I thought, yeah, we'll put it on there. It's under Glenn's Life on YouTube. No, well, you're not supposed to be here.
What part of Australia?
Sydney.
I used to have an office in Melbourne.
Right, yeah, beautiful city.
Yeah.
Very much like San Francisco, only it's flat.
Optus bought my company.
Excellent.
So, yes.
Well, you Americans, we're talking to the camera, you Americans amaze me, right? You're giving us John F. Kennedy, you're giving us Man on the Moon, Bill Gates, Spam, you're giving us Spam, you're giving us Spam. But can you do me a big favour? You Americans can do lots of things. Can you move your country a bit closer to Australia? Can you arrange that for us?
I'm doing a pop-up shop next month in Sydney.
Right.
Flux, Hawaii. Be sure to come to our pop-up shop. It's in Flux, Hawaii, and it will be in Sydney. And
when?
It's bringing at the end of May. And we're bringing 70 Hawaii companies to Australia. Go Australia!
We'll have a look.
Yes.
Excellent. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Well, how about that? The people you meet when you walk around. It's insane. Gee, I love doing this. Just walk around here and you see all these characters.